everyone, rise and shine. Guess what time it is? It is Saturday morning and it's time for Fabulous Over 50. As you can see, I am not wearing lipstick, and that is, that's like sacrilegious for me. I always wear lipstick. But I thought I would come on here today and share with you how I apply my lipstick so that my lipstick lasts 12 hours. I do not retouch. I don't have time. I don't even bring a tube of lipstick with me to work. The only time I ever bring lipstick to retouch is if I'm going out at night. So I'm going to show you how I apply. It's quite a process, how I apply it in the morning for it to last all day. Now, if you have problems, maybe you can try this technique. It may work for you. It may not work for you. But it's what I have been doing for years, and it has never ever let me down, and it really doesn't even matter on the quality of the lipstick. It's all in the procedure. Now, I also want to announce the winner of my giveaway from last week for the Julia jewelry necklace, and the lucky winner, I don't know how to do it across the screen, but the lucky winner is Sherry Light. Congratulations, Sherry Light. Woohoo! You won the necklace, and if I recall correctly, I think your comment said is that you wanted the one to represent your 3 grandchildren. So if you do watch this video, please send me an email. My email address is down below. Please send me an email, and I will get you in touch with Julia's jewelry, so they can make arrangements and get that necklace to you. So without further ado, you know the drill, ladies. Grab yourself a cup of coffee, cup of tea, and if you're across the pond, a glass of wine or a glass of champagne, and let's get the party started. Okay, the first thing that I always do is, first of all, one thing that's really important to do is get into the habit of exfoliating your lips regularly. And I have been using for the past, probably about 2 years now, is the Pixie. It's called the Nourishing Lip Polish. I like this one because it's like one of these, with applicators with a little bit of nubbies on them. It's perfect. I don't really like to dip my finger into a pot. It's just a personal preference, and so this one has been a go-to. So exfoliate your lips, very, very important. And secondly, the other thing that I do is I always apply a lip primer, and my lip primer is already on, and I use the MAC Prep and Prime lip primer. I've been using this one for at least for the past 15 years. I'm sure there's plenty of other lip primers around, but this is my go-to. The first thing that I do is I apply a concealer over my lips, and I use the Age Rewind. And you know what? The products that I use really doesn't matter. It's the process. So I will go all around my lips, and I bring the concealer up here in the outer corners. And then I will, then of course I blend it in. And then what I do is I will go in with a little bit of setting powder. I already have some on my sponge, any kind of loose powder, and I just make sure that everything is set. Now I go in with my lip liner. Now I have the NARS lip liner here. My lip liners of choice happen to be the MAC. I love their lip liners, and I love a liner that you can sharpen. I don't like the retractable ones because I like it to be very, very sharp. And if you're looking for a good sharpener, my go-to is the Urban Decay Grindhouse. This is just an amazing sharpener. So you always make sure that my pencil is sharpened, and I've sharpened it before coming on. And what I do is I always start a little bit, I go outside my natural line. So I will just start, and I won't be able to talk while I do this. I'll try to fast forward. So I start with the bottom, and then what I do is I take the pencil and I just color in just the outer corners. I don't know if you could hear the wind howling. We have a snowstorm going on today. Could you imagine? I'm so ready for spring. I don't know how many centimeters of snow. I'm just watching it fall. Like I have to go out. Ugh. Okay. I do the outer corners like that. Now I do the same for the top, but the top I'm going to show you what I do is I pull my lip out so that I get the straight line and then it connects to my bottom. So I go like this. And I connect it. And then I color it in again. I'm going to put all the products down below, okay? Good, on the other side. And I connect. Okay. Now we move on to lipstick, and the lipstick that I am using today is my Marc Jacobs Boy Gorgeous. I love this shade. So I'll take this and I will go over the lids. So this is the first coat. And I take a Kleenex and I actually blot the lipstick. Then I go in with a second coat. Okay. Now, instead of blotting, this time what I do is I will just go like this. I can't remember. Just put my lips down on the Kleenex like this. And that's it. Then I go back with my lip liner. And the lip liners, I do that to prevent it from bleeding. And I outline again. And don't worry about making any messes because we're going to clean it up afterwards. Okay, then what I do, so this is all done, and this will stay all day because I guess with the layers and everything and matting everything down, then what I do is I go in with a concealer, and you know what I forgot to bring? Do I have a little brush here? Shoot. I don't have a little brush. Oh, darn it. Hold on, I'll have to go get a brush and I'll just cut that out. I'm back. Okay, I just got like a little brush. Any little brush will do. Any concealer will do. I put a little bit on the back of my hand. And then what you do is you take the little brush and you want to clean the area up, especially here. And you want to just make sure that you want your lips to go up. Okay, so really fix this area up. See? So, and you don't want to get that gathering that you get at the corner of your mouth. So this will remove any gathering and will prevent. And at the same time, if you need to clean up anywhere else, you do that at the same time. And that is it. And then if I want to add a little gloss I always put on is my Sugar by, and I always just add that just to give a little mwah. And that is it. Now, no lipstick on my teeth. Always check for that. And that's how I get my lipstick to stay. So hopefully, this might be beneficial to some of you. So thank you for spending some time with me today, and I will see you all next week. J'embrasse de Montréal. Soyez prudents, soyez belle. And what does Natalie tell you? Natalie tells you when you look yourself in the mirror. Natalie tells you you're beautiful because you know what? You are. You're beautiful inside. The rest is just decoration. Play with your makeup. À la prochaine. Au revoir.